Come, yeah, we are coming.
My name is Kuleranis Khosan. I'm the Provincial Secretary of Xhosas in Gauteng. We are not here to visit. We are here to occupy. We are here to take over. Maybe they are tired of paying rent in our buildings. They have a canteen. We are going to enter in the canteen. We are going to take the sugar, the tea and the coffee. And it's going to go to scholars. They must know Mail and Guardian is one newspaper that is more expensive than a tissue paper, comrade. So it is not even useful for our people because they cannot use it when they don't have toilet paper. We need newspapers that are usable because a newspaper that prints nonsense about our president, we will use it in the toilet and we will flush it. We are not afraid of them. We are serving.
The notice of the president. They must go contest election. They must